Yan mga kaibigan, oh, buksan natin ang regalo! Ano ang laman ng regalo? Ayan si CJ. Anong laman ng regalo, CJ? Say hi! Anong laman ng regalo?
For me and CJ. Who is it? It's mine.
It's mine?
No, us.
Us? Okay, good. Us
For me
pala.
and CJ. Only not for
Okay.
mommy. It's only for me.
Okay.
No, who is it?
Oh!
Mine is the ocean one.
Oh, that's nice.
Mine is the ocean
That's
one.
very nice. Okay, kunin mo.
This is mine.
Wow!
This is the
Ang
Goya.
ganda!
This is the Goya, guys.
This is you and CJ. All of us. All of us, okay?
This is not for him.
Okay, bubuksan natin. Okay, wait lang. Manood lang muna.
You have to build it.
Wag mo, yes. Manood lang muna ha, kaya i-install pa natin. Okay, CJ? I-install pa. You want to help, Nak? Let him help. Let him help. Sige. Uy, bless you. You do that, right? Remember? Cover your mouth. Siya mani. Kunin natin to. Wait lang.
How would you do that?
Ayan. Kasi, ay, ano, guntingin na lang natin, Bi. Kasi, gagamitin kasi natin ang ano, itong papel. Oops. Okay. Uy, hala, nabaliktad. So, I'm sorry, boy. Okay lang? Sige. Wow! It's okay. Sige, you can get one and you can get...
I'll get this.
Hold that. You hold this. You hold this. You hold this. You hold this. Okay?
I'll play with this sound.
Okay.
CJ, I'll
Then-
play this one.
All of us gonna play, honey.
No.
So, install muna natin. Ilagay ang mga paa.
Mommy,
Dito.
it's not for you. It's for kids.
We can play, all of us.
No! We don't need help.
You don't need help?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna teach CJ, ha? Turuan mo si CJ, Goy. Okay, buksan mo na. Tignan natin kung nakalak ba to.
This is the same.
Oops.
I'll use these holes. I'm gonna open it.
Okay na, lock na siya.
No, CJ!
Alright.
I'll put that. This goes in.
Okay, now go down. Baba.
Mama.
Baba na, baba. Oops.
Sorry.
Okay.
Mommy,
CJ, baba na. Go down. Go, Jun. Baba. Baba. Mag-stand up na. Stand up.
stand up.
Stand up. Baba. Baba. Sige na. Go down. Go down. Go down. Both of you. Go baba. Sige na. Go down. Go down. Go. 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 Ayan. Okay. Here. Buksan na dalhin.
I'll open this.
Where's the sand? Yung sand. Ilagay mo na.
I'll put it right there.
Walang gunting. Ito.
I want to do the sand.
Okay.
You want to play in the sand.
Okay. Okay. Oh, lagay mo. Ilagay mo ang sand. Diha. Wow.
And for
Nice. And then, put the, ito. Okay, CJ. Ilagay dito sa banda kay CJ. Dito yan, Dong. Dito yan. Ito. Dito yan lagay.
this one.
Dito mo ilagay ito. Ito ay, what do you call this? Para siyang ano mga kaibigan, para siyang sige, CJ, ilagay mo dyan.
I did this.
Foam beads pala siya, foam beads.
Whoa, that's
So, ilagay mo ang mga fish dyan sa foam.
so sticky.
It is. It is. Okay, so,
Crystals.
sa maniging mabukas. B, ilagay mo yan dito, oh. Crystal. Ocean pala to siya kasi may mga isda. Okay. So, yung mga sandbi, ito, oh.
Where's the treasure open?
Wow, CJ.
How
Ganyan.
we open the treasure? We need some crystals in
Hindi din
it.
siya dumidikit sa kamay. O, ilagay mo lahat, Dong.
Mama,
Ayan, Dong. Ilagay mo din tong mga fish mo.
Mama, open this treasure. We have to put crystals. We need crystals.
Ito yung cover niya, Biha. Mamaya, pagkatapos niyo dyan, cover natin yan para isarado, okay?
Okay, and this
After playing, okay? Dyan lang sa ibaba.
so that's
Lagyan mo dito yung mga ano mo.
crystals.
Yeah, or you can do the beach pala, Tugoy.
Okay.
Wow!
It's not sand beach.
Tayo dyan.
Oh, I need a
You can,
roller.
gamitin mo tong roller like that. Oh.
Okay.
Ito sa'yo, Dong. You can do that, Dong. Ayan. Or this one. Jun, look. Okay. Ganyan, gamitin mo. Huwag mong ihalo dito sa sand yan, ha?
Yeah.
Yan, si CJ. Bigyan natin sila ng activity.
Set it up. Let's see the button.
Okay. Opa, ito pa. O, ilagay mo tong fish mo.
This is not stand.
Para din ito ang kanyang
These
ano,
are now stand.
dagat-dagat ni CJ.
Mine is
Ayan,
the
nasa
sand.
picture.
Mine
Oh, ito, ilagay mo to, guy.
What?
Yung mga look, the picture.
Yeah.
Andyan siya sa sand ang mga
No,
starfish.
CJ! Bad baby.
Lagay mo dito, guy, John.
CJ, this,
I-flat mo muna yung ocean mo, yung tubig mo, para siyang...
this is
Ah.
not standing up.
Oy, what's that to?
This is not.
No throwing, no.
It's a star.
CJ, don't
I don't
do
need
that.
these bushes because it's not sticking for now.
Where is that star?
It's inside.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, what
Mm, starfish.
Everything inside here.
Okay, lagay mo, yan, treasure yan.
Fish.
Fish, red.
I don't
Oh, squid yan.
know.
Yellow
I
fish.
don't know how to do it.
Oh, okay. Open.
Fish.
One more fish. Ooh, treasure box.
Fish.
More fish.
So don't stop.
That's, anong klaseng fish yan, CJ? Pang tinula ba yan, CJ? Here, Goy. Ito yung starfish mo. Pwede mo nang ilagay dyan. Tapos, maganda na sun to. Oh. Ah, ang ganda ng sun.
Fish.
That's a shark. Oh, shark fish. Shark.
Whoa.
That's a sea turtle. Sea turtle.
Read that.
That's a starfish.
What are you doing? We're making in the sand. I need to roll again. We're doing like that.
Okay.
That's shy.
That's another, ano yan?
No,
Okay, here.
we need this roller.
Okay, gusto ni CJ ng ano, ipahiram mo sa kanya. Let him borrow.
So sticky. So sticky. So flat. This is no, CJ.
Gusto ni CJ mag ano dito, Goy? Mag ano dito ba, ganyan. Sige na. CJ's turn, CJ's turn.
No, we don't want to switch. Nah. Bam. No,
Okay.
I'm not switching.
Alright, mayroong...
This is the trick.
hello mga kaibigan, ganun muna sila doon naglaro. Buksan natin yung isa ni CJ. Meron siya ditong isa para sa kanya to. Ito kay CJ. Kasi mag-ano sila eh. Ganyan talaga yan. Junior, ito is yours,
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay, this is yours. Ito yung gifts ni CJ,
That's CJ.
Hindi pa nabuksan. Okay, CJ, buksan natin. Truck? Okay, stand right there.
It's only a piece of it. You have to try. That's CJ's. This is mine. Chomp chomp.
You have trucks, tractor, everything. Excuse me. Goy, keep your stuff. Uy,
Whoa, that's a lot.
wala mang mesa si CJ.
No.
Ito ba yun?
Stand. More stand. A lot for him to do. Sushi. I don't want to do.
Wow, ang daming ano ni CJ accessories. Okay, CJ, dito lang. Come here.
Ow.
Hoy, dito ka lang. Come here. Dito na lang natin ilagay sa box. CJ, dito ka sa box. Sige. Ano to siya? What is this? Para siyang construction. Ah, okay. Dito pala siya sa box pala to. Oh, okay. Box pala siya. Ah, dito pala si CJ. Very nice. Come on down. Come on down. Okay. You have monster truck. Yes. Okay. Buksan natin ang monster truck. Ito muna ang mga sand. No. This is CJ. Do your own.
Mommy, open this please.
Anong open?
Open this.
Huwag mo isarado ang treasure box mo. Bakit ito, baby? Oh. Huwag mo isarado yan. Sige na. Here, CJ. Sige, putang mo na yung monster truck mo. Favorite ni CJ ang monster trucks. O kaya yung mga ano, backhoe. Ano to siya? Mga bulldozer, excavator, dump truck. Good job. Nice. You can bring this to Tita Joy mamaya, Goy. So you guys can play there.
Or we have to cover it.
Yeah, you can bring it. May cover naman. Wow! So, CJ, saan yung... Goy, ito pa yung extra mo para sa water mo.
More?
Yeah. Ubusin mo na.
Come on now.
Oh. Ayan. At yung mga accessories mo, you're not gonna make a mess, okay? Please, no make a mess. Uy, may malaki. John, lagay mo dito yung mga ano mo. Ito, oh. Wow, ito is big. Malaking excavator. May dump, excavator man siguro yan.
What's this, Mama?
B, tingnan natin, B. Ah, forklift pala to, John.
Look, Mama.
This one is forklift.
Look, Mama. That's my
May bulldozer. Bulldozer. Wow, complete si CJ. Ito is mga excuse me, castle molds.
roller. Thank you.
Good. Can you move? Don't.
Sorry.
Watch your walking, boy. Nakapakan mo yung mga toys. Ayan. Ayan, enjoy na sila, oh. Busy. Ayan. John, ilagay mo lang yung truck mo dito. Huwag mo ilagay dyan kay mga upakan mo. Dito ba? Kasi naghihintayan sila para mag-work. Sige, dito na lang kay mga apakan mo siya. Oh. That's yours.
Where's the cover?
Cover? Andito. Are you done?
I I need to put all of them back.
Leave this one here, the sand, CJ. You're not putting the sand outside. No. Only inside the box. Inside the box ang sand, okay? And you don't supposed to eat the sand too. No eating.
Yeah, that.
Don't put in the mouth. That's where they're working. Gusto mo pa to, Don? Hindi na. I think this is too much toys na.
I put everything inside there. I need to put
Hindi na natin isama yung iba kaya mapuno na yung ano ni CJ.
Mine is gone.
Ay, meron kang workers, Don? Saan yung mga workers mo? Wala man dito. Sinama mo ba dyan?
Isda! Fishy!
Isda, yeah. Saan yung... Ay, andito pala. Andito pala ang mga workers.
Where's the cover? See, watch out. On the cover.
Traffic sign, meron din. Para siyang ano, construction site pala to, CJ. Mahilig kasi CJ sa mga construction. Jun, oh, may tao ka, Jun, oh, look.
Yeah,
Wow.
he's in the sand.
He's working.
You have to roll it.
Okay. The sand is only inside the box.
Yeah. This is so sticky.
Yeah.
It's not look.
No putting on the mouth.
No. It's gonna be sticky.
Look, Jun, hurry up.
He's
Look, yung
working.
workers mo, oh. Interested si CG sa ano, bulldozer.
Don't lick my.
Kunin natin yung mga tao-tao. Hindi pinansin ni CG ang tao-tao. Hindi siya interesado dito. Okay, let's put this away. Next time, put away yung hindi niya interested. Ito, hindi siya interested sa mga to. What's that? What happened? Did you step on CG's toy?
No.
Okay, you have to watch. You have to look. No touch, baby. No touch kay...
It's missing.
Ano tong isa?
This sandbox is really clumsy.
Sa'yo yan, yung mga accessories mo.
Okay.
So, ilagay mo dito. Which one you don't need? Ilagay mo dyan.
I don't need this. I'll put it there.
Which toy? Ano yung toy na hindi mo kailangan? You need everything?
Yeah. For now, I'll use all of this. So that I'm putting it away.
Ito, ilagay natin niya to dito kasi nga panghalo to. Ito yung gamit sa paghalo. Ganyan-ganyan
I'm
yun.
party. I'm already bringing it.
Para mayroon kayong ano doon, pagkaabalahan.
Oh my.
Si CG din. Nice. That's cool. Busy si CG.
I think let's put this in.
Like that, CG, ah. Tulungan natin si John Julio. Ang sand na to, mga kaibigan, is ganyan po siya. Hindi po siya parang powder. Kumakapit po siya sa isa't isa. Ito yung maganda siya. Hindi siya masyadong nag-making a mess kasi dumidikit-dikit. Kishana, why do you do that?
These are the same size like here.
You're not gonna put this sand in there, okay? You have your own.
Yeah.
This is different type.
Oh.
The one you have is color difference, beach.
Oh.
Beach color. This one is different. You're not gonna mix them, okay?
Yeah. Because
Never.
No.
Yours is different color.
Okay.
More brighter.
And this one.
Wow.
It looks like
I
dirt.
like this.
I do like it because it's too like.
Ang ganda,
This
huh?
look like dirt.
Yeah.
That's why.
Sus ko, grabe. Ang
There's a
ganda
lot
na
of
niya.
things for it. Like sugar.
Goy, wag. Ayaw niya, Goy. Gusto niyang ano.
He wants to play.
Yeah, he want to play himself.
He don't want to play in the sand. If CJ want to play in the sand,
Ang ganda lang hawak-hawakan.
if CJ play in the sand,
Ang ganda lang pala hawak-hawakan to.
look, I made a shovel.
Nice. John, Play inside the box. Not outside. No, Put this here.
Digging. I'm digging the same.
Put inside kasi
It's a big volleyball. I'm making a big volleyball in the sand.
Huwag ka nga ng isang truck. CJ, can you give me one truck, please? Give me one truck. Give me one truck. Kaya itong i-ano eh. Sige, lagyan natin ng ano. Lagyan natin. There you go. Tabunan.
It's like a sand.
Goy, ano nangyari sa'yo, Goy? Here.
I'm done.
Okay, let's play this one.
You play with it.
Kay CJ na tuloy yung nilalaro niya. It's the same, look.
No, not the same. I'm gonna do this. You come for it. It's for something else. Let's just do that. And this is for tomorrow. It's for the party, Mommy. The party's not started. Okay, and put it right here.
Okay.
Then I put it in the sand. This is not sand, right? This
CJ.
is super light.
Tingnan mo nga si CJ. CJ, no sand on the carpet. May sand on?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit. A lot of big sand.
Be careful, ha. No sand in the carpet. CJ. Put this inside. Inside. So it's not make a mess. Inside. Look. Ayan, making a mess na.
What? It's like a dog.
Goy.
Got it. Mommy, no! Don't do that. I'm making a dough. A dough is a pizza. Don't put in my dough.
Okay.
You got all the sand. This is also empty. Mommy, no. We don't do that in
Get CJ a sand. Goy, this is CJ, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna make sure he play it.
Oh.
Sige na, dito.
So sandy. It's like a toy.
Para siyang, ang tawag dito,
Not
ha?
for eating, right?
No, you're not supposed to eat this.
Look, the bottom.
Only play. Para siyang clay. Hindi naman siya parang clay kasi nga. Maano siya.
Double.
Ganyan, ha?
Double it up.
Ilagay mo sa truck, John. Ilagay mo sa truck, sa dump truck. Kunin mo nga yung dump truck ni CJ. Yung dump truck niya. Ay, ito yung dump truck.
Mommy, dump mine. Get mine.
No. Huwag mo yan. B, a little bit lang. Kaya, it's only tiny dump truck. See?
Okay.
Pick up more. So, saan yung ano ni CJ? Yung ano ni CJ? Yung bulldozer. Ito yung bulldozer niya. Forklift, excavator, drill truck, excavator, dump truck, bulldozer, road roller. Saan yung road roller niya? Ito. Ayaw niya pa. CJ, don't make a mess. Dodong.
Yeah, it's silly.
Ibalik mo dito. Okay, na-busy na sila mag-play. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.